Great, I think we're live. It's 6:30 East Coast time for everyone joining. Whatever time zone you're at, welcome to the Azure Government Meetup. With today's meetup is about how government can put AI into action. So if you're on social media, our handle is #AzureGovMeetup, and welcome and joining our program tonight. We're really excited about what's coming up. Just to start, my name is Karina Hami. I'm part of the Microsoft Azure Government Engineering team in Washington, D.C. I'm a founder of the Azure Gov Meetup user community. I'm very excited to have you here. And then Vishwas.
Thank you, Karina. Welcome, everyone. We have a great topic and an agenda, so we'll get started very quickly here.
So we like to say, why are we here? Really, it's all about you. This community is a community of practitioners where we want to share best practices, the latest on the Azure platform, any case studies. So as we say in every meetup, it's all about the volunteers. So special thank you to all the speakers tonight that volunteered their time and opening that conversation with you around AI. And if you have any speaker topics or anything you'd like to contribute to the meetup, please reach out to us. We have all our meetups. Typically, we try to do this every last Wednesday of every month. So the next 3 meetups are October 28th, December 2nd, and January 27th. Of course, with COVID, we're all virtual. Hopefully, we'll get to see everyone live today. But until then, we've got this great platform to continue the dialogue. So again, if you have any topic ideas or you have a speaker in mind, please reach out to me. My email's right here. I'd love to hear from you, and we welcome all feedback. With that, we have a lot of updates. Vishwas, would you love to get through Ignite that just happened?
Ignite just happened, Karina, and you know, we have some links here. You can go if you have not had a chance to watch that. Some great sessions related to the past services. And then there was also a video which is mentioned here on this slide, which was specifically focused on Azure Gov related announcements. And one thing I would like to add that there was an announcement, and you can see on the right hand side of the screen, 97 Azure Gov services. And some of you who've been with the meetup for a long time, Karina, you'll remember this, that we'd invited back in January of 2017, then the provisional IL5 was issued. And that was the beginning of that first cloud provider to get it. And today we have 97 services. And what is exciting really is services like ML, IoT, and really services that agencies can use towards building toward their mission. So really exciting news there.
Sure, and if you want to stay up to date, we've got an Azure Gov blog that you can subscribe to, the Azure blog, and of course our user community LinkedIn group. So please feel free to engage. Again, Ignite has some really good sessions already recorded that you can tap into, so check it out. So with that, we really want to get ahead into the agenda. It's so rich as far as the speakers and the topics tonight. So actually, Sarah Bird is coming from the AI ML platform team, and she did present at Ignite, and we have her tonight, so we're really fortunate to have her here. And then they'll be followed up with Crowd AI, Devaki, who will give us a little bit about what they've been doing on enabling government to build and deploy computer vision models. And then lastly, we've got an amazing panel. We've got Brian Drake from DIA, and then we've got Cheryl Instead from Department of Energy, Jane Pinellas from the JAIC, and then Susie Adams, our CTO from Microsoft Federal. So with that, I really want to just jump right into the agenda. Again, thank you for everybody who's joining us tonight and taking an evening to meet up with us virtually. So with that, I'll hand it over to Sarah. Thank you.